Introducing the mobile blood delivery vehicle, transforming emergency healthcare with cutting-edge technology. In critical moments, quick and reliable access to blood supplies is essential. Our vehicle ensures these vital resources are delivered efficiently and securely. Step inside to find a dedicated blood collection area with comfortable couches, making donation easy and pleasant. State-of-the-art refrigerators keep blood at the perfect temperature, preserving its quality. The vehicle is equipped with advanced medical equipment and devices necessary for diagnosis, blood collection, testing, and safe storage. Collected blood is carefully transported using specialized, secure blood transport boxes, maintaining safety and stability. At the rear, a thoughtfully designed waiting room with cushioned seating offers a relaxing space for donors and staff alike. Engineered for optimal performance, our vehicle guarantees that life-saving blood reaches its destination swiftly and safely, bringing essential medical resources directly to communities, ensuring no area is left without critical support. Learn more about how we're advancing emergency healthcare. Visit our website and contact Oxygen to Innovation today.